Today we are going to talk about something that leaves us fascinated and filled with ambition: the colonization of Mars. This topic fascinates our imagination, evokes the deepest thoughts, and opens up new horizons. Let's discover this exciting path together and consider the challenges and opportunities that the colonization of the red planet offers us. Moving on to the first attempts to study Mars, we will note how the telescopes of early scientists revealed its mysterious faces. From Galileo's first observations to the discoveries of the Herschel telescope, each step in science allowed us to learn more about the red planet. The history of Mars is also linked to the Martian canals, which have sparked lively discussions and fantasies among scientists and viewers alike. How did these early attempts at exploration influence our vision of Mars, and how do these images leave their mark on our quest to understand this mysterious planet? Let's travel back in time and look at the history that laid the foundation for our current vision of Mars and inspires us to new horizons. The colonization of the red planet. We are moving into the modern stage of Mars exploration, where new technologies and ambitious missions are revealing more of the mysteries of this fascinating planet. Among the current missions, it is worth noting NASA's rovers, such as Curiosity and Perseverance, which conduct surface exploration and study Martian geology. The MAVEN astronomical orbiter studies the atmosphere, helping to understand how it has evolved over time. By analyzing the results of these missions, scientists have already obtained unique data on the composition and structure of the Martian surface, water ice, atmosphere, and other key parameters. How do these discoveries affect our understanding of the red planet and its suitability for colonization? Let's delve deeper into this analysis and consider how they shape the future of our space plans. Modern missions not only expand our knowledge, but also define the steps we must take to successfully colonize Mars. By examining their discoveries, we can better understand the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in this exciting journey. An in-depth look at the technological challenges associated with living and working on Mars, discussing aspects of growing food, energy solutions, and devices for living on another planet. The technological challenges we face in terms of living and working on Mars present us with significant challenges that require ingenuity and innovation. Let's take a closer look at this stage of our space journey. The first stage is the possibility of life on Mars, conducting research into the conditions for creating a habitable environment on Mars, including analyzing the atmosphere, soil, and resources, and developing devices and technologies to provide a viable environment, taking into account the problems of gravity, temperature fluctuations, and other features of Mars. The second stage is an attempt to grow food, analyzing the possibilities of growing food on Mars, taking into account the limited resources and unsuitability of the local soil, and exploring vertical farming and biosphere systems technologies to create sustainable food growing systems, possibly under controlled conditions. The third stage is energy solutions, consideration of options for providing energy for colonization needs, including the use of solar panels, nuclear power, thermal sources, and other sources, analysis of the efficiency and sustainability of various energy systems under the influence of Martian conditions. The fourth stage is the creation of the protection and adaptation technology, developing technologies to protect against radiation and other harmful factors on the surface of Mars, and studying adaptation technologies, such as closed-loop systems, that allow for a safe habitat. The fifth stage is the planning of the Martian infrastructure, planning the infrastructure for colonization, including the development of transportation systems for movement between settlements and cultivation areas, developing technologies for the construction and maintenance of Martian settlements, including the use of 3D printing and automated construction systems. The technological challenges associated with Mars require a combination of talented engineers, scientists, and inventors. These technologies will be key to creating a sustainable and safe environment for people on the red planet. Consideration of geopolitical and ethical aspects of Mars colonization, discussion of international relations and environmental issues related to colonization. Moving on to the most important aspects of Mars colonization, which include the geopolitical and ethical implications of this endeavor. International relations. Consideration of the impact of Mars colonization on the geopolitical map and economic relations between countries. An analysis of possible alliances and conflicts, including competition for resources and technological superiority. Environmental issues. Studying the impact of colonization on the Mars ecosystem and developing strategies to preserve natural resources and avoid environmental problems. Consideration of ecosystem interactions and opportunities for environmental restoration on Mars. Resource allocation. Discussing the challenges of allocating Martian resources and establishing transparent and equitable regulatory mechanisms, and developing models of cooperation to maximize benefits for all parties and prevent conflicts. Through efficient resource allocation, international norms and laws. Consideration of the need to establish international norms and laws that regulate Mars colonization and ensure mutual recognition of the rights and obligations of countries. Analyze the adaptation of existing international legal norms to the conditions of Martian settlements and develop new standards if necessary. The geopolitical and ethical challenges of Mars colonization are a discussion at the international level, involving various countries, organizations and experts to ensure effective and equitable development. Summarizing the results of the trip to the world of Mars. Consideration of prospects and plans for the future colonization of the planet. Dear friends, our fascinating journey to the world of Mars is coming to an end, but our curiosity and desire to explore this mysterious planet remain inexhaustible. Let's briefly summarize the results and look into the future of the red planet. Colonization. The prospects for Mars colonization look exciting. Thanks to modern technology and research, we're getting closer to the possibility of creating a second home for humanity. Considering the technical aspects and environmental challenges will help us to identify the need for cooperation and a global approach. We encourage all viewers to leave their comments and thoughts on Mars colonization. What aspects are you most interested in? What do you expect from future missions? And how do you see colonization going forward? Your feedback is important to us. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the space discoveries. See you soon in a world of incredible possibilities and great opportunities.